Hey, hey, hey! It's me again, Japes Terrific, and this time I'm at Pancake House. Nagpapakatito. For some reason, ang mga kasama kong kumakain ngayon ay makakaidaran ko. So anyway, here goes! I started off with ordering coffee. Nothing beats a hot coffee on a cold, rainy day. The thing is, I used to be a coffee person before, but now I'm more of a tea person. Pero ewan ko nga ba, today, I felt like ordering coffee. Ngayon naman dumating na ang talagang in-order ko. This is my favorite. This is House Special Set A. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I just love going to Pancake House. It has the chicken, the spaghetti, the tacos that I really, really love. And it reminds me of the olden times when I was still young, going here, and I would order this separately. Buti na lang, meron ng ganito, House Special Set. The chicken was juicy, tender, and crispy. The spaghetti, ang sarap. Just classic. Masarap talaga. And the tacos, perfect. All of these things go together in one delectable bite. Nga pala, pag kumakain ako ng garlic bread, nilalagyan ko yan ng gravy. At eto na nga, ubos. Pati ang dessert na brownie, ubos. Talagang babalik-balikan ang Pancake House. So if you're for nostalgic feels and good food, alam nyo na,